I like the Spider-Man presents.
You got Spider-Man what?
Presents.
Oh, I see. Awesome. Are you excited?
And we got puzzles.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you like the lightsabers that you got for Christmas?
Uh-huh.
I saw the videos of you fighting with your lightsaber.
Uh-huh. I thought you loved the lightsaber. We got Darth Maul.
Yeah? Okay. Well, I want to wish you happy birthday.
Thank you.
And I want to tell you that I love you.
I love you.
Okay, good.
It's for you, Mommy.
Okay.
Okay.
It's Daddy's mom.
Oh.
Bye, McLean.